Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. And we're at Tuesday, 8/21/07. This month is just starting to whip by. Not much action today in the Omni, or I should say yesterday, being that this is tomorrow's video. Not much action on Monday. Omni's got some trades lined up for Tuesday. Omni is actually looking for S&P to go up, looking for 10-year notes and bonds to go up with a little dip first, and then hopefully a nice rally. I got some charts to show you, and then we'll take a look at the charts now, and I'll come back and give you a little brief explanation of why everything looks so good to the Omni, and we'll go from there. Be right back, traders. Okay, traders, one of the trades we have set up for tomorrow are the 10-year notes. This is a daily September bar chart of the daily notes with the infamous 200-day moving average. What has happened recently is T-notes have broken above 1, 2, left 3 settlements above, rallied again today, and it looks like we're going to go into rally phase again tomorrow. I am a fan of buying dips in these 10-year notes. The fact that we have maintained levels above the 200-day moving average, I think that we are going to continue higher. And bonds should be right behind it. We find that 10-year notes seem to be the leader between bonds and notes. The 10-year pulled the 30-year with them all the time. Next chart's a chart of the 30-year T-bond, the 30-year T-bonds compared to the T-notes. Tell me what you think. Okay, traders, this is the September daily T-bond chart, the 30-year. Again, the infamous 200-day mover, but look at the difference. We're still well below the 200, just kissing it. We hit it 1, 2, 3. We hit it just under 4 times, 3 3/4 times, because this time was real close. And I think we're going to hold the support right here, and we're going to move higher as we did with the T-notes and start spending some time creating a chart up here. I have a trade set up for this. I'm going to show it to you now on the Omni. It is not short term. In other words, it's not a day trade. And it is not for widows or orphans. Let me tell you, the stop is large. Let's go to the Omnis now, and I'll show you what this trade is about. Okay, traders, so you've seen the analysis? Hey, if anybody can tell me what's different on this board behind me, I give you a cookie. It was different than it was when I was here a moment ago. Anyway, what I have found in my analysis over time is that 10-year notes drag the bonds around with it, up and down. The Fed has lowered interest rates. The Fed, from my analysis over years of trading, I have noticed that the Fed will raise or lower interest rates between 9 and 11 times once they begin. If they begin easing, it's 11 eases. If they begin to raise the rate, it's about between 9 and 11 times. They did a half a basis point. Let's call that 2 because they usually go in quarters. There's a good 8 to 9 more lowers of interest rates that should happen. Any traders who have been around long enough know that if interest rates go down, bond futures go up. With that in mind, I have those trades set up for you that you've seen. We'll get to those in a minute. Let's talk about the S&P first, and then we'll do the bond trades. The S&P for Tuesday, 08/21/07. The ESU7, the mini, the SPU7, the large. Omni support, the high to mid 1430s. Trading about 1448, 49 currently. Put your orders in the high to mid 1430s to buy. Omni's profit objective is the mid to high 1460s. The mid to high 1460s. Likelihood is that we'll get up there tomorrow, unless sellers come out of the woodwork, but we're not expecting that. Omni's green here. Or be out MOC, market on close. Don't forget, always place your orders MIT, market if touched, which just means if the price trades on the board at 1430, whatever your order is in at, it immediately becomes a market order and goes live to the next bid or offer and gets you filled right there at the market area where you'd hope to get in. So place your orders MIT. Don't forget to be out by the close, MOC, MIT, MOC. MOC is market on close. And we do expect some resistance on the way up around the 1459 level. Again, we're buying it in the high to mid 1430s. We're looking for a whopping 1460s to take profit. Resistance is expected around 1459. You gold members, go to the site, check your emails. I have exact buy level stops and exit levels on the Gold Omni. Okay, again, this trade is not for you widows or orphans. It's not for people with pacemakers. It is not for people who cannot afford to put a trade on and let it percolate a little bit. And that's what these trades are going to be for. Now, should you take the 30-year and the 10-year? Your choice. Take one or the other. I say put orders in both. The first one that's filled, cancel the orders in the other. And here's what we're going to do. The strategy for tomorrow is we're buying 30-year T-bonds, the ZBU7 electronic T-bonds. Omni support, the mid to low 109.20s. Currently trading 110.08. Currently here. Get your orders in. It happens quickly in bonds. They need jerked down and come right back up. The mid to low 109.20s, we're going to take in some bonds right there. Omni's profit objective, the mid 112 teens. The 112 teens. In other words, I'm expecting to buy it in the 109.20s, and if it gets above 112, it'll get into the 112, 10, 11, 12, 13 area. Somewhere in there, we're going to look to exit this trade. This trade we expect to happen over the next few trading sessions, so it's a buy and hold if we get them. As long as your stops are in, stops are large on this trade. For you silver members, I'll tell you right now, you better risk a good handle on this trade. I'll tell everybody that because it's a longer term trade. Risk a handle on this trade, minimum, because if you don't, you're going to end up getting stopped out. It's a longer term trade. It's not a day trade. Again, buy them in the 109.20s. Look for the mid 112 teens to get yourself out within the next few days and risk a good handle on this trade if you'd like to hold on to it. The 10-year notes, the TYU7, another green Omni. That makes 3 for the day. Go, Omni, go. I hope it works out, baby. The TYU7, Omni support, the mid to low 108.20s. Have your buy orders in down there, like the bonds, but we're in the 108.20s in the 10-year note. Omni's profit objective is the mid 110 teens as the 112 teens in the bonds. We're expecting a nice run up. You're going to need a stop that's almost a handle here as well in the 10-year notes. And we expect it to happen over the next few trading sessions. It is a holdover trade. If you buy them, it's a buy and hold. Don't get nervous. When stops are in, emotions are out. So just put your stop in. If it's going to be a holdover, put your stop in GTC. Good till canceled. If you do that, that stop works 24 hours a day until you go in and cancel the stop. That will help you with these trades. Traders, I think it's going to work. I wish you a whole lot of good fortune on these trades. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I'm not really going to get into too much tonight. I will say, oh, I do have to read something. Where is she? My favorite student. At least one of my many, but she is one of my favorite students. I have a little something from a friend of mine. And Anna, thank you so much. I had to read this. It's a beautiful letter, and thank you. It's short and sweet, traders. Don't get too bored here. Okay. From a good trader, from a great student that's become a very, very good trader since I've met her. When I found Oscar, I had been trying to trade for about a year. I was frustrated and discouraged, but not ready to give up. Well, that's the first sign of a trader that's going to make it. I'll tell you that right there. Never give up. As my broker, I've been trading with him for the past 6 or 7 months. This is not an easy business, but with Oscar's help, my trading has improved 100%. You go, Anna! Yeah, it's even hard for me to believe. I finally feel that I am on my way to becoming a real winning trader. Thanks so much, Oscar. I could have never been able to do this without you. Anna. Well, Anna, thank you so much. You know, when I get letters like this and I see I'm really helping somebody and helping traders to learn how to do this, it really, really means something to me. The whole reason why I started this was to help you traders. I know how to look at markets. I've learned so much. I have no problem sharing this with you guys. And I'll tell you, it's fantastic to see that it's actually doing its job. So to the boys who backed me up in the office, thank you guys very much. As you see, proof is in the pudding. We are helping people out here. And that's what this is about. All right, traders, please come down to my premium room. Everybody who's been watching my videos knows all about that. I'm just going to say, if you don't, go look at a couple of other videos. If you'd like to find all of my videos and you don't know how you found this one, we upload videos all over the web to sites everywhere. They get sent to blogs. People link them left and right. But You can find almost 185, maybe 190 videos already done for you at my YouTube spot, www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts. Go there, subscribe to my videos, and then you'll know when we put out videos as soon as they come out every day. That's all I'm going to say here. One last thing is give me a call, 718-351-2266. Keep your emotions out of this trading, ladies and gentlemen. Put your stops in first. And remember this, say it every day. Say it before you trade. Certainly say it after you placed your orders and you're looking at those ticks. And make sure you say it when you're looking at your stops. And you know what that is. Stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.